Okay, hey guys, it's Shaneé and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial on Jaja hair.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Hair is on Amazon and the hair got delivered to me in one day with Amazon Prime. So that's one good thing about this company. And in the inside, obviously the wig came inside and they give you a wig cap, which I'm not using theirs, but I have the same color, so I'm glad that they sent my color in it. At first, with the packaging, I thought it was black. I'm like, why would they send a black wig cap? But they didn't. The hair I got is a 8-inch 13 by 6. I believe it's 13 by 6. Frontal bob. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the whole wig cap method install and pros and the cons about this hair. that was on the hair. But this is the 8-inch bob. I ended up going back in and cutting some of the hair because it wasn't like cut evenly. Yeah, this is what I did with it. I made like a little side part. We're gonna go through the pros and cons about this hair. One pro is that the hair is really soft and it looks like it's jet black, which I love jet black hair. I just love jet black hair, like it's my favorite. I don't know. Second pro about this hair is that it shipped really fast. So if you have Amazon, or if you go on Amazon, the hair for me shipped in 1 day because I have Amazon Prime, but I believe it's standard shipping, which is like 2 to 4 or 3 to 5 business days. So that's still pretty fast compared to some hair companies. It has a lot of volume, but about that, for me, volume and the bob, I don't like bobs that are too thick. So I feel like this is a good density, like a good amount of density of hair for this wig, especially because it's short. But for me personally, I would like it a little bit thinner, just so I could go for more like the natural look and not too full, you know, because you tuck it behind your ear, you know, it's like it's gonna feel like a lot of hair. Now we're gonna go to cons. One con about this hair is that the lace is really hard to melt. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't know what kind of lace this is at all, but I usually always get transparent lace, but I don't think this is transparent lace because the lace was a bit thicker. It was like the lace was thick, so you know, the thinner your lace is, the more natural it looks. It probably looks okay on camera, but it was really hard to like make it blend and for it to not show, because I was gonna go for a no baby hair look, but I had to add just a little bit, and they're not completely, you know, done up. They're not OD, but as you can see, like the lace is here and I had to use the baby hairs to cover a little bit, so I did that. But another con that I have about this hair, I told you in the beginning, it was really hard to bleach these knots. Like these knots were not trying to bleach. Every time I bleach knots, any type of hair that I have, I use 40 volume developer. Since the developer is a little bit high, I don't keep it for a complete 30 minutes. And this is just a frontal knot, a full lace wig, so I didn't feel the need to do the whole head for 30 minutes. But I did it for like 26 minutes, 26 minutes, and honestly, only like the beginning got bleached and it wasn't even that much. So I was gonna bleach it again, but I'm like, you know what, I already over bleached the hair, and when I over bleached the hair, it didn't look blonde because I had over bleached one of my wigs before and I never fixed it, but it wasn't as bad. But when I over bleached this hair, it looked red. I'm like, why is the hair turning red? So I used the Shimmer Light shampoo to tone the knots that did get bleached, so it won't look so orange. And then I let it dry. I'm like, maybe because the hair is wet, it just looks a different color, because you know when you bleach hair, the color that it looks while it's wet, it might not be the color that it looks when it's dry. So the hair dried, I let it dry overnight and it still was red. So I'm like, what the heck? But I needed to cover I didn't want to bleach the hair anyway. I just needed to cover with some black mascara. So I'm gonna do a video on that, how to fix your over bleached knots. But all I did was take some mascara, which is why my hands look like this, because it's on the hair. So yeah, like the knots were really hard to bleach, so I just ended up putting makeup over it and just like not even trying to bleach it again because I didn't want to mess anything up. But yeah, like I said, when the hair bleached, it turned red. So if you plan on bleaching this hair and you're going for like a honey blonde look, just make sure you bleach it and then use a box dye, because just bleaching it is not going to get it to the color that you desire probably. Maybe because the hair was dyed jet black, because this hair, I know for sure this is not 1B. Like this hair is way too dark to be 1B, so maybe that's why when the bleach got on it and it's already dyed black. But I don't know, maybe that's the reason. I had to like stop in the middle of this video and like actually go in the bathroom and go in the closed mirror to see what I was doing, because like I kind of messed up this hair a little. I kind of messed up the lace a little bit. I didn't I didn't make the lace long enough on this, like on this side, so it looks like I don't have sideburns. But this is my favorite side to do side parts on, so I was like, okay, but it don't look bad. I don't think it looks bad. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you go to Jaja Hair's Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link to this exact wig down below if you're interested. It's available for Amazon Prime, so you get your hair in 1 to 2 days, depending on the time that you order it. The density, the length, and everything will be down below in the description box. Check out their Instagram and check out the types of hair and wigs that they have available. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.